Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by confirming essentials. Switch Fortnite to performance graphics and restart. This cuts frame delay. Then pick a shotgun with a fast pump and tight ADS spread so your follow-up shot lands. Once done, enable the latency counter and reduce in-game audio reverb. This helps you judge timing. Do these steps before practicing. They directly reduce system and animation delay, letting your inputs translate faster and more predictably into shots. Now you refine execution. Bind the shotgun to a single, reachable button so your finger travel is minimal. Practice the exact rhythm of shot, pump, and re-aim. Aim for a follow-up window between 0, 2 and 0. 5 seconds depending on the gun. This syncs with animation canceling. Then lock your sensitivity settings. Consistency trains muscle memory and reduces input variance. Make sure to alternate stance, including quick crouch aims, so you can reproduce the timing under pressure. Finish by integrating animation cancel techniques. Swap weapons or use a quick reload/emote to cut shotgun delay. You do this because it interrupts long recovery frames. Then validate in real scenarios. 1v1s and box fights expose timing errors, so practice until your follow-up hits reliably. If you still feel lag, troubleshoot, update GPU drivers, cap your frame rate to a stable value, or drop resolution. These fixes address system-side latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.